Hello everyone, Namaskar. This is Aditya Prajapati and this is going to be the day 19 of the 30 days Phrases English Challenge for spoken English. And here I will teach you the 10 different phrases of the meaning where, and I will when we are adding some preposition or other meaning with the meaning of where, it is making another interesting meaning which we guys can use in our day-to-day life conversation. Only this is how we can speak very good English. Only this is how we can learn this language. Only this is how we can start thinking in English language. Okay, so I will provide you 10 different meanings of bear. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, before going to the video, I want to give you a little bit introduction of myself. Guys, my name is Aditya Prajapati and I come from a very small village of Uttar Pradesh, and I have completed all my education in Hindi medium background so far, and I started a YouTube channel in which I teach you guys how to learn this language, how to speak very good English, what are the tips and techniques, the steps that everybody has to use in their day-to-day life conversation for spoken English. So I am teaching you guys. It's my work and it is up to you how are you taking my videos, how are you taking it. If you are taking serious, then you can learn this language. If you are not taking it serious, you cannot learn this language. Okay, so come to the point. Guys, the phrase number first, that is bear down. Bear down means hota hai kuchalna. Okay, so we are going to take two examples. Why the examples? You guys can understand how to use in our daily life sentences. Okay, example number one, the truck bore down him. यानी कि ट्रक ने उसे कुचल दिया. ओके, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, हैव यू एवर सीन एनीवन हु हैज बीन बोर डाउन बाय एनी व्हीकल? क्या तुमने कभी किसी साधन के द्वारा किसी को कुचलते देखा है? सो दिस इज द फ्रेज नंबर फर्स्ट, दैट इज बेयर डाउन. बेयर डाउन मींस कुचलना. Here I have provided you two different examples. By using this phrase, you guys can also form different sentences and use in your day-to-day life conversation. So let's come to the second one. Guys, the phrase number second, that is bear away. There are two different meanings of the phrase bear away. One होता है जीतना और एक होता है ले जाना, साथ में किसी चीज को ले जाना. Okay, so we are going to take at least one example with each meaning. You will get it. Okay, example number 1, I want to wear away that award. यानी कि मैं उस अवार्ड को जीतना चाहता हूँ. Okay, example number 2, that is the strong wind bore away the roof of that house during the storm. यानी कि तूफान के दौरान भयंकर जो हवाओं ने उस घर की छत को उड़ा दिया, यानी कि उड़ा कर ले गई. तो ये हुए दो एग्जाम्पल्स विद द मीनिंग ऑफ बेयर अवे. बेयर अवे मीन्स होता है एक होता है जीतना और एक होता है साथ ले जाना. ओके, सो लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन. गाइस, द फ्रेज नंबर 3, दैट इज बेयर विद. बेयर विद मीन्स होता है सहना. ओके, एग्जाम्पल्स लेते हैं. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1, you will have to bear with me until I understand it in a very good manner. तुम्हें मुझको सहना पड़ेगा जब तक मैं इस चीज को समझूं. यानी कि जब तक मैं इस चीज को समझ पाऊं तुम्हें मुझे सहना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो ये हुआ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, दैट इज you will have to bear with the noise while the construction work is going on. जब कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क चलता है ना, तो मैं इसकी आवाज को सहना पड़ेगा. Okay, so here I have provided you two different examples with the meaning of bear with. Bear with means होता है सहना. Okay, so let's come to the next one. Is the phrase number 4, that is bear plus object. Bear plus object means होता है उठाना. उठाना मतलब क्या उठाना? So by the examples you will get it. Example number 1, that is I will bear your expenses. bear के साथ your यानी कि ऑब्जेक्ट होता है your, तो I will bear your expenses. मैं तुम्हारे खर्चे उठाऊंगा. ओके, खर्चे उठा लूंगा. ओके. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, कैन यू bear my anger? क्या तुम मेरे गुस्से को सहन कर सकते हो? कर सकते हो क्या? तो here I have provided you the 2 examples with the meaning of bear plus object. Let's come to the next one. Guys, the phrase number 5 that is bear out. Bear out means होता है साबित करना. Examples लेते हैं. Example number 1, these evidences are enough to bear out the truth. यानी कि सच्चाई का को साबित करने के लिए केवल इतने ही evidences पर्याप्त हैं. ओके. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 that is the evidences bear out his story that he was telling the truth. यानी कि जो एविडेंसेस है ना उन्होंने उसकी स्टोरी को साबित कर दिया कि वह सच बोल रहा था. ओके. So here I have provided you 2 examples with the meaning of bear out. So let's come to the next one. Guys, the phrase number 6 that is bear on. Bear on means होता है संबंधित होना. We are going to take 2 examples. Example number 1, your life is bearing on my life. तुम्हारी लाइफ है ना मेरी लाइफ से संबंधित है. तुम्हारी लाइफ है ना मेरी लाइफ से संबंधित है. ओके. Example number 2, the decision of that company bears on the future. उस कंपनी का डिसीजन है ना फ्यूचर से संबंधित है. सो दिस इज हाउ वी हैव टेकन 2 एग्जांपल्स विद द मीनिंग ऑफ बेयर ऑन मींस होता है संबंधित होना. लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन. गाइस, द फ्रेज नंबर 7 दैट इज बेयर अप. बेयर अप मींस होता है सामना करना, किसी चीज का सामना करना, किसी संकट का सामना करना. ओके. सो वी आर गोइंग टू टेक 2 एग्जांपल्स. एग्जांपल नंबर 1, आई कैन नॉट बेयर अप माय एनिमीज. मैं अपने शत्रुओं का सामना नहीं कर सकता. Guys, example number 2, despite the loss, he managed to bear up and stay positive. यानी कि लॉस होने के पश्चात भी उसने सहा और पॉजिटिव रहने का तरीका सीखा हमेशा. ओके. So these were 2 examples that I have provided with the meaning of bear up. Bear up means होता है सामना करना. Okay. So let's come to the next one. Is the phrase number 8 that is bear someone. Bear someone means होता है there are 2 meanings. Bear someone की 2 मीनिंग होते हैं. एक पहला होता है किसी को जन्म देना, एक दूसरा होता है किसी को सहना. ओके. सो वी आर गोइंग टू टेक 1 examples of those meanings. Example number 1, that cat bore 2 kittens. यानी कि उस बिल्ली ने 2 बच्चों को जन्म दिया. ओके. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, that is she could hardly bear him after his rude behavior. उसके रूड बिहेवियर के कारण, उसके रूड व्यवहार के कारण वह उसे बड़ी कठिनाई के साथ सह सकी. So here I have provided 2 examples with the meaning of bear someone. Okay, so let's come to the next one. Is the phrase number 9th that is bear the burnt of. Bear the burnt of means होता है खामियाजा भुगतना. Okay, examples we are going to take 2 examples. Example number 1, you should bear the burnt of the loss. यानी कि घाटे का खामियाजा तुम्हें भुगतना होगा, तुम्हें भुगतना चाहिए. You should bear the burnt of loss. Okay. Example number 2 that is I am bearing the burnt of my act. यानी कि मैं अपने किए का खामियाजा भुगत रहा हूँ. Okay, so here I have given you 2 examples with the meaning of bear the burnt of. This was the phrase number 9. So let's come to the final one or 10th one that is bear in mind. Bear in mind means होता है याद रखना. Example लेते हैं. We are going to take 2 examples. Example number 1, bear in mind that the meeting will start at 12 p.m. याद रखो कि मीटिंग 12 बजे शुरू होगी. Example number 2, bear in mind you insulted me and I will expose you. Okay, तो इसका मतलब हुआ कि तुम याद रखना तुमने मेरी इंसल्ट की है, मैं तुम्हारा खुलासा कर दूंगा. Okay, so here I have provided you all the 10 different phrases with the meaning of bear, and it is really interesting. It is making interesting phrase each time that we guys can use in our day-to-day life conversation, and it is up to you. I have told you everything. I have taught you the 10 different phrases. I have taught you 18 classes already, and this is going to be the 19th one, and it is up to you now how you are taking it. If you are taking it serious, then you will definitely note down along with me, and after that you will learn these phrases and use day-to-day life conversation. Only this is how you guys will be able to learn this language. Only this is how you guys will be able to speak very good English. So let's come to, if you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can never miss my videos, and have a good day. We will meet in another specific video. Bye bye.